today we can make like this one's supposed to put in your eye as a cucumber, and it's missing something with a box. As we extra little pickles right here to have extra more, like having 1,000, like 1,000,000. Now we have some other things too. Remember, I have so many things, and we can make like this and a paper. We also need to make this. It's really hard. I make a flap, and it's really weird. Just make a flap, and I cut it on the piece. And we can also cut. And I don't think we can glue it. We don't need to glue it. And now we can start. Now, this one is my picture right here. The flower. This one's the star. And this I will show you how it's it. And have the other thing. Because fall out. It's not really good. Because fall out. When I show you, it always fall out. Now we can start. Now, what do I just start? Oh yeah, I make it flat. Then I need to cut a piece. This tire piece. It's really straight piece. Actually, I don't remember how I do it. It was such a long time. And I think this time we can make it like this. I don't remember how I do it. Let's do it like this now. So I can't be like this. It's really weird. No, it's weird. More weird than that one. This is extra weird. This looks more fair. Now I just gonna draw. Here's the seed. The extra mirror. Here it goes. Here now. I remember we just need to cut. No, first we need the color. I forgot. The cucumber. I got like a pizza or eyeball. Here's the seed. I don't sure I can color my eye. I don't really get color my eye. I get like color the cucumbers to be green. Everything like it. I just put a little bit of red on that one to be extra green. Here. And this part on top. Done. Now it's really quick and it's don't get stinging. So sorry. Like it. Oh! Wait, boss. Seriously. Yeah. Oh, it's hard. Oh my gosh. Don't let this. Almost done. And we're done. We're done. Wait. We forgot to leave. Now let's try it. Plus is right. It's extra pretty. This is extra pretty. Now I think I can draw something. Now let's just write and draw. Let's just draw like a smiley face right here. What do I have to do? Ask me, because what I can make like a straight shape, like just like black one. Why I almost lost my tooth? Why it's almost falling out, and I just can't make that. I can't believe. It's right here now. I didn't put in a black one. I just put love you. I just put the word of you. I just put the V. I just put this. This is the heart. I just forgot to make the other one. The other one. And oh. It's not percent. Oh, this is not percent. Percent. It also down this percent. Now we just forgot we have coffee bar here still. So we get down. So it fits on her eye. And then we give her what? What the heck? We did the mess on her eye. That this is even more better than, because look, it fits really perfectly on her eye. I think we can like paint this here. We have capybara pack. It's the hard one. With this made all the stuff. It was the makeup. And we just forgot. I wanted to tell you, this year we can take the big one. Oh, we just closed. This was mine, the real one, and this is the fake one. Now this one is even there for me, right? Who has the bigger one is good. Now we can put the cucumbers on her, and we need to take an hour to go, like 10 minutes. This is to be more calm and more fluffier skin, to be more fluffier, and that is more good. I never do with that, for instance. I don't think I never get to it. I think I get like more than minutes still. At least I'll get 20 minutes. Actually 10 minutes as well. That's very more than minutes still. And now you can put your mom eye, your dad, or your best friend, your cousin, or the capybara, or some like blushes and other stuff too. And you can put the to sew in the other one. Now, to get my good one, to get 10 minutes. Now we're right done. I take 10 minutes. We're already done now. I think now let's go some more book. Let's go to the eye. Now you put it like this. It's this color. As you can see, it keeps falling. How strange is it? Wait, he never sticks up. Wait, why are you falling? Straight. It's like this how you play. Let's just hold it. It's like this how it is holding Y is straight. This is how you play it. And you need to close your eyes too. This is how it goes. To get your skin more fluffier and relax your body more, to be more calmer and more relaxer. And now it's the baby ones. Let's see. There's some more. So you can see it's not working. You can see my eyes fell. This is how it goes. You need to play here and then. Bye bye. See you in my next video.